Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET General Knowledge. Let's begin. Who is the author of the novel 100 Years of Solitude? Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Mario Vargas Llosa, Isabel Allende, Julio Cortázar. The correct answer is option A, Gabriel Garcia Marquez. 100 Years of Solitude is a landmark novel by Colombian author Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Next, the Meiji Restoration in Japan occurred in which year? 1865, 1871, 1868 or 1880? The correct answer is option C, 1868. The Meiji Restoration began in 1868, leading to the end of feudal Japan and the establishment of a modernized central government. Next, the Elgin marbles were originally part of a building in which ancient city? Athens, Rome, Cairo, Babylon. The correct answer is option A, Athens. The Elgin marbles are a collection of classical Greek marble sculptures that were originally part of the Parthenon in Athens. Next, who articulated the theory of spontaneous generation? Louis Pasteur, John Needham, Antony Lee Leeuwenhoek or Aristotle? The correct answer is option D, Aristotle. The Greek philosopher Aristotle was one of the earliest recorded scholars to articulate the theory of spontaneous generation, the notion that life can arise from non-living matter. Next, the Trojan War is part of which ancient civilization's mythological history? Greek, Egyptian, Roman or Norse? The correct answer is option A, Greek. The Trojan War is a legendary conflict in Greek mythology, primarily described in the Iliad by Homer. Next, the Congo River is the second longest river in Africa after which river? Niger River, Nile River, Zambezi River or Limpopo River? The correct answer is option B, Nile River. The Congo River is the second longest river in Africa after the Nile River. Next, the Kanchenjunga is located on the border between which two countries? Nepal and India, India and China, China and Nepal or Nepal and Bhutan? The correct answer is option A, Nepal and India. Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world, lies on the border between Nepal and India. Next, the Paris Agreement was adopted in which year? 2014, 2015, 2016 or 2017? The correct answer is option B, 2015. The Paris Agreement, a landmark international treaty on climate change, was adopted on 12th December 2015 at the United Nations Climate Change Conference. Next, the Kilimanjaro mountain is located in which country? Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda or Tanzania? The correct answer is option D, Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa, is located in Tanzania. Next, the Ming dynasty ruled which country? Japan, Korea, China or Vietnam? The correct answer is option C, China. The Ming dynasty ruled China from 1368 to 1644, known for its cultural and political stability. Now it's time for the practice question. The Panama Canal was completed in which year? 1910, 1912, 1914 or 1916? Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.